Okay, now time for we looking for garden. Let's go. Okay, we go. Dad, you looking my piece? Beautiful. Yeah. And we can have see that in the camera. Very handsome. Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, very good. And go to looking upstairs. Okay. Now, really flower come up more. That?
A blossom coming on the tree.
Yeah, beautiful now. Blossom will come up. Apple many more. Me to have comfort. Good. Okay. Looking for greenhouse. And today me tidy up.
Oh yeah.
Okay, Mai. Really good. And now me want that complain to my what's name? Cotton bud. Oh, what? Oh, water bud. Oh, water bud. Yes. Why die that? Where we cut? That thing die or not?
That's
Die.
that's dead because it just break it off. It's not. If it was still alive, it would be green.
Yes. Where we can cut? How for cut again? Nah, die many more. What area for cut good? That thing. Oh, in here same for flower for finish.
Yeah, because
Die or not?
those are all down.
Yeah. What about there?
Yeah,
Okay.
because you've got quite a few branches with flowers on, which would have to be cut off.
Okay.
But then more shoots out from the bottom.
Okay.งั้นwe can try.
Yeah.
Thank you Dad so much for looking my garden and help for everything. And now me to try listen for that and cutting. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Good afternoon, Dad. Sit down, please. Me serve that first from Cumberland barbecue. Okay. Starter. Barbecue. Cumberland sausage. Yeah.
This seat's cold now.
Cumberland with cheese. What's name cheese? With joy with collection Italian food. Okay. And now we have for flower come from garden. This year for start flower daffodil and tulip. Okay, beautiful. And we serve soft drink that first with sea.
Another pill.
Alan, very good. Look up to family and look up for yourself. Really nice. Can try it, please. Now, main course. Serve that first. Okay.
Thank you.
Steak with salad. You need. Okay. Okay. Now we have for steak with salad. Salad with bonjour and fruit and cheese Cumberland. Correct or not? Okay. Enjoy food. Try that.
Thank you.
Hello, time for dessert. Congratulations, ice cream. Cheese. Thank you so much for watching our little family about the walk with Tom. Thank you. Bye bye.